Hi there, and thanks for joining us here at PhillipCapital Market Watch. I'm Wee Kuang, Equity Specialist from Phillip Investor Center, Toa Payoh. Today, we will be putting aside the increasing market volatility from the US and China trade tensions and focusing to something closer at home. We will be taking a look at the local counter, OUE Commercial REIT, and its proposed rights issuance, which may affect the investment outlook of existing unit holders. On 11th of September, OUE Commercial REIT announced the proposed rights issuance as a fundraising exercise to acquire the office components of OUE Downtown with a purchase consideration of $907 million. The rights issue is expected to contribute 61% of the purchase consideration. Looking at some details of the proposed rights issue, a subscription price of 45.6 cents gives a TERP of 57 cents. This means that the theoretical price of OUE Commercial REIT should be 57 cents after issuance of the proposed rights, assuming full subscription. This also means that the rights will probably trade at around 11.4 cents. Upon announcements of the proposed rights issuance, OUE Commercial REIT has fallen from 67 cents to as low as 59.5 cents, a signal that many existing investors have started to sell off their holdings. However, current investors should not panic. As stated in the proposal, the ex-rights date is 2nd of October and the rights trading period will be between 9th and 17th of October. Investors will be able to evaluate options available before deciding what to do with their holdings. To examine the various course of action, let us assume that we own 1,000 units of OUE Commercial REIT. The first option for investors will be to sell off all existing holdings to the market before the ex-rights date. This is preferred if investors believe that a proposed rights issuance will have a negative impact on the price of OUE Commercial REIT. The second option will be to subscribe to the rights and sell both the units and the rights off during the rights trading period. This is good if investors believe that the counter will stabilize around a theoretical price of 57 cents and 11.4 cents for the rights during the rights trading period. The last option will be to purchase more of OUE Commercial REIT to average down the price of your holdings. This is a good move if investors believe in the long-term outlook of the REIT. Potential investors may also look to buy into the counter, considering that the price should move towards the TERP during this period. However, the important question that investors will have to ask is whether the acquisition of the properties provide good value to the REIT. Some factors to consider may include the revised distribution per unit, the outlook of the commercial sector, the weighted average lease expiry of the properties, as well as the tenants of the properties. And that's all for PhillipCapital's Market Watch this week. Do feel free to share in the comments below what is your take on the proposed rights issuance, and if you are an existing investor of OUE Commercial REIT, what your course of action will be. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.